Hi everyone! If you watched my last video, you saw how IBM Cloud Pak for Data can be used to see interesting things about your data, like data types, quality measurements, associated business terms, data profiles, and data classifications. In this video, I'm going to focus on how to set up these attributes and how they get linked to your data. When you have CPD installed, the first thing to do is add users and assign roles which will determine the access and authority of those users. Administrators set up and maintain the CPD environment itself and have the ability to add and manage users. Roles or personas control the access that users will be granted, and this is a list of the roles that come on the platform. These can be edited, deleted, or new roles can be created as needed. With admin credentials, you can access and control users on the platform, and I'll show you how to do that. Starting from the home page, we'll navigate to the menu, under Administer, and find Manage Users. From this page, we can see and manage any current users on the platform. These are dummy users at the moment, but we can take a look at the business analyst. You can look at their profile, and you can even edit their profile from here. We can navigate back to users, and then under roles, this is where we can control the capabilities of all the different roles that can be assigned, and we can also create new ones. We can see here all the privileges assigned to the administrator role. All of these roles can be edited to fit specific business needs. Or of course, you can simply create a new role. There are two ways to add users to the platform. From the New User button on the right, where you can manually add new user credentials. Or you can add users to the platform by configuring a connection to your LDAP server by filling out the fields shown here. Once you have users set up and have assigned roles, your data engineers and stewards can go ahead and start creating glossaries. A business glossary consists of categories and terms. Categories provide the logical structure for the glossary so that you can browse and understand the relationships among terms and categories in the glossary. A business term is a word or phrase that describes a characteristic of the enterprise. Assigning business terms is great for standardizing definitions of business concepts so that your data is described in a uniform and easily understood way across your enterprise. These terms can describe the contents, the sensitivity, or other aspects of the data, such as the subject or purpose of the data. Business terms can be imported from dictionaries or imported manually. To navigate to business terms from the home page, you want to use the hamburger bun menu icon, expand Organize, then Data and AI Governance to find it. If business terms have already been created, you will see them here. On the top right, you will see the options to extract business terms from a file, import business terms, and create your own manually. Be sure to add a unique name, an abbreviation, and a clear description that anyone who sees it will be able to understand. Also make sure to link your new term to a primary category. You can see some examples of primary categories here. Click Save as Draft when you're done, and then spend some time reviewing your new business term. When you're satisfied, you can publish the new business term to your glossary. A good thing to do next is to review the built-in data classes. These help Cloud Pak for Data determine the right business terms and classifications for the data you connect. We can view data classes and add them to our newly created term right from this page. You can browse all of the built-in categories and their descriptions, and you can create new classes specific to your business. Next, we're going to talk about setting data quality rules. Data quality rules can be created for types of data elements. Quality rules evaluate and validate specific conditions associated with your data sources by binding data rule definitions to physical data. These rules are run as part of data quality analysis and determine the quality score for a data set. You create quality rules from your workspace and in a specific data set, as I'll demonstrate. You get to your workspace from the Organize category and then click on Data Quality. You'll next find your workspace and then navigate into one of your data sets. You'll see the Add Rule button on the top right. From this screen, you have the option of adding a data rule or a quality rule. We're going to add a quality rule right now. We now use the drop-downs to search and find the rules that we would like to add to our data set. We now need to bind our new rule to a column, so we'll select the variable, and now we have to select the column that we wanted to act on. On the next screen, you're able to test your rule and see how well the data in your chosen column adheres to it. In addition to quality rules, there are 10 built-in data quality dimensions that you should review. These can also be turned on and off from your workspace. Let's once again navigate to our workspace from the home page. Select our workspace, Demo 1, and then navigate back into our data set. We find the built-in quality dimensions under the Data Quality header. From here, we can disable or enable any dimension for this specific data set. I've just gone through the steps it takes to create users, assign roles, and edit the assigned privileges, how to create business glossaries, and why they're important. I also showed you how to assign quality rules and review the built-in quality dimensions on Cloud Pak for Data. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll be posting more videos like this, so subscribe to stay updated. I wish you luck on your data journey.